It snowed here in Boise, Idaho. Woo! So we decided to go on up to Bogus Basin. It says they got 9 inches of snow, and we're here with my homie Michael.
Woo woo!
He's been in a couple videos recently. You've probably seen him jet skiing, and he was even there on the first hike park, Bogus Basin. It's game time. Let's go!
Woo woo! Let's go!
Getting up the mountain. We made it up here to Bogus, and they're blowing snow. Snow gun. Snow gun. Woo! Random skier already hitting it. It's got a rail set up. Oh! Let's go. It looks so good up here. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Woo! We made it to the top. It's game time. We're gonna go snowboard. It's snow.
9 inches. I'm so happy.
Look at all this snow. First pow lap of the season. Let's go, dude.
Ready? You want me to lead or you?
Oh, you probably.
Okay.
Just go to the right, maybe.
You gotta wait for this.
Woo! Yeah, baby. Oh.
So bad.
Oh. Dude, I'm slowing down.
I know, I don't have any fucking wax on my board, dog.
It's too much pow. What do we do?
Get a wax before I left.
I guess. We're stuck. Getting the workout in today. Whew, I done strap. Do a bit of 1 foot riding. So we get to the edge here, and then we're back. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, except for my glasses, I can't see nothing. Doggy, I cannot see.
Oh shit, here we go. This is getting real. You ready? This is it, dude, the first run.
This is so sick! Woo! So much snow! Yeah! Oh, dude! Oh. Dude. Let's go. This is crazy. Whew. It's so gnarly. Woo! This is crazy. It's really snowy, dude. Okay. Woo! Let's go! First power! Woo! Woo! How was it?
I hit some rock.
Uh-oh. Whew. That was a super fun first PAL lap. Whew. I crashed a couple times. Can't see out of my glasses. Now to hike out of here. We're gonna try and hitchhike to the top. The truck's waiting up for us. We're hitchhiking. We just got done snowboarding up here at Bogus Basin. Had a crazy powder day, and now it's dark. Time to go home. Yoo-hoo! Had an absolute blast with Michael. Let's go. They're running the snow guns up at Bogus Basin. Check it out.